southern Lewis County in central New York, northeastern Oswego County in central New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Redfield, or 10 miles north of Camden, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watertown, Sandy Island Beach State Park, Lowville, Pulaski, Adams, Dexter, Redfield, Glen Park, Selkirk Shores State Park, and High Market. This includes Interstate 81 between exits 34 and 47. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County in central New York, southern Lewis County in central New York, northeastern Oswego County in central New York, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:28 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Redfield, or 10 miles north.
That took a long time, and thank God that none of this was happening while I was at school. Well, first warning.